Hello, this is Trish, and I wanted to share with you, for those of you who are using the new elementary experience, how to get your virtual link so students can access it. Currently, we're in phase 2 of implementation of this new platform, but at this point, students won't see updates. So what I'm going to have you do is go over to your updates where your virtual class meeting information is. And what you're going to do is you are going to click on edit and you're going to copy whatever you have that you want on the page. So copy it, then you're going to cancel because you can still leave this up here because eventually my understanding is in phase 3, the updates will show up on the student side, but at the moment they're not. Go to the materials section and above the welcome folder, add a new page. And in your page, you can insert your, paste in your link, and you're gonna wanna title it something here. So I would say Mrs. Hervey's, whoops, go away. Class link, or you can name it whatever you want here. Then I can edit an image, and I just Googled a link, a picture of a link, and I put it in, but the picture is less important. It doesn't need to be fancy. Don't spend a lot of time searching for images. You can leave, the default is a star, and that is fine. But if you like to have some picture cues for your kids, that's great. Having the little ABC page in options display in line just makes it the page open on the teacher side so you can see, remember what that page is, and click create. And as you can see, it's right here. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the student side. If I go under course options and view as a student, I'm just going to pick Amanda here. And you can see this is what the kids see. They'll see the Mrs. Hervey's class link. The kids click it, and then they can enter the meeting by clicking on the link. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put in a bookings appointment with one of the coaches, or you can do a tech ticket. Hope you've had a great day, and we'll see you soon.